Okay, I had a no-buy on diamond painting kits, and I made it a solid 4 months, maybe 6, I don't know, but I did break my no-buy. So today we are going to look at what I bought to break that no-buy, and hopefully there are no regrets. So let's get started. The first kit I have purchased is another Curtis Rekovic from Dreamer Designs. Could not help myself, but it is a smaller one, and that was what got me, because normally they're 60 by 80 centimeters, and I'm like, oh, and this one is only 40 by 50. Oh, so much easier to tackle. I mean, look at it. It fits on the desk. So let's take a look and see which one it is. Okay. Oh, isn't it pretty? Come on, could you blame me? Look at this. This is just so stinking cute. It's called Symphony. It looks like I have a newer kit. However, I'm just going to be showing you the canvases today. I'm not going to show you every single thing and what's in the kits. I will do that when I do an actual unboxing of the kits, because I don't want to make this a really long video. So that is one of the ones I purchased. Last one that I got from Dreamer Designs, again, my favorite artist, Curtis Rekovic. It was on my wish list, and I had points to use. This one is not a small one. Okay, so let's get the bag open, and I will show you. The kit is outside on this one. Okay. Here is this one. Oh my gosh. It's another huge one, 60 by 80 centimeters. Look at that. So this is Starlight. I have quite a few of his on my wish list. Oh my gosh. I just absolutely love it. But yeah, like I said, I will do an official unboxing of these when I'm ready to kit them up. So let me show you the next. Okay, the next 3 are from Diamond Art Club. So much for my no-buy. This one is Queen of the Snow Fairies. Oh, it is just... This was on my wish list, and it finally came back in stock. And I was like, oh, I gotta grab that. Okay. This is a landscape one. I've actually not completed any landscape ones yet, but look at that. Ugh. I might do this one next. There's a lot of color blocking in this one, by the way. This might be one that I could belt out rather quickly. But yes, so that is one that I got from Diamond Art Club. One of 3. Okay, another one that I was waiting for it to come back in stock. It had done it twice and I missed them both. This is Flirting by Amy Brown. Oh, let's see. I'm not a fan of the plastic. Wish they could be like Dreamer Designs and roll out some canvas bags. All right. Are we ready to see this one? Oh, it's upside down. Oh my gosh. And this background has a lot of color blocking, but not as much as one would think. There it is. Ah, that is so pretty. This one looks like it might go relatively quickly though. Not a lot of confetti. Man, I lucked out. I've been grabbing a bunch of kits without confetti. All right, one more. Okay. So last but not least, oh, my sticker got smashed. I grabbed Guardian of the Winter Forest. It's actually not too big, but it is really in there. This is a newer one. It wasn't on my wish list. I just, well, Let's just be proud because originally my cart had like 6 paintings, okay? All right. Oh, wow. Look at that. I love the the monochrome. I really do. And this is supposed to have, I believe, the fairy dust diamonds, if I'm not mistaken. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. And only 22 colors. Wow, this one should be really easy to do. Maybe I'll do this one next instead. I'm always on the hunt for like a good in-between that I can quickly belt out. Okay, so one more thing to show. If you have stuck around to the end of this video, I am giving away a Diamond Art Club kit. So this is one of the kits I ended up with 2 of. So here is the beautiful Iris by Micah Jelena. Or you cannot get this one on Diamond Art Club right now. It is sold out, and it's called Iris. So I will be giving this one away to one lucky viewer of this channel. So here are the rules. If you've made it this far, the rules are: this is not sponsored, endorsed, or any of that by Diamond Art Club or YouTube. I am solely responsible for this giveaway. I will be doing this at complete random. So you'll fill out a Google form in the description below, giving me your name, your YouTube username, and email. You must be within the United States. I had received a very rude comment on my collection video to not subscribe to me because I am not going to give away items internationally. I can't afford to ship this internationally. I am giving you away a $70 diamond painting kit for free. I just can't afford to also pay the money to ship it internationally. That said, that doesn't mean international entries won't be allowed in the future when I'm shipping from Diamond Art Club directly and not from my personal residence. So please, no comments about that or telling people not to subscribe to me just because I can't pay to internationally ship this. It would not be cheap. And at that point, you might as well buy it on Diamond Art Club. So for this one, yes, you must be in the US. I apologize, but I am using my own funds to ship this to you, and I am giving you the value of a $70 Diamond Art Club kit. So I would appreciate if we keep that snark at a minimum. In addition to being in the US, you must be a subscriber of my channel. I only give away to subscribers, so you must already be a subscriber, and I will verify that when you comment and fill out the form. So I will be picking the winner at random. What I do is I populate all the form entries, and then each person is on a line in a Google Sheet. I do a random number generator, and the winner is picked that way. And that's it. I don't have any say in it. Whoever is on that line and corresponds to that number is the winner. I will leave all the rules and official entry in the description below. But I wish you luck, and I hope someone grabs this Iris one. Well, someone will, but I hope it's whoever really, really wants it. If you already have Iris, please don't enter in this giveaway. I have 8 other kits I'll be giving away throughout the year. They're stashed over there. So there will be more opportunities as well. And then I will be giving away kits for my international subscribers directly from the manufacturers in future ones. But thank you all for, well, not judging me for breaking my no-buy and for supporting my channel. And until next time, take care. Bye now.